In this episode, we're going to talk to you about the info command. The info command provides you detailed documentations for commands or program or utilities. It's similar to man, however, it offers different things such as sections, navigation, and generally more details or information about the command or utility that you're using. The usage is quite simple and very similar to man. You type info followed by the command to get comprehensive information inside a reader. And in that reader, you have navigation options such as using the arrows to move, pressing Q to quit, scrolling with the spacebar, or searching for keywords within the document. There's also that navigation feature that allows you to navigate between specific information pages for related commands. So in the next lab, we're going to show you how to use the info command to navigate and find detailed documentation or information about the different commands and utilities inside Linux. Please join us. Hi, in this episode, we're going to be talking about the info utility. The info utility is extremely useful for giving you information about certain commands. I'll show you how it's used. Let's go ahead and open up the terminal. And let's say we don't quite understand how to use certain commands or utilities. Well, we can pull up the info page on certain commands or utilities. So let's do this for the copy command. You can see the copy command uses to copy files and directories. It gives us a little bit of a description. All right, we keep going down. We can see synopsis, some other information. All right, that the info command is showing us. It gives us a list of options down here. All right, and we can see the navigation here is at 32%, so we can get a good idea of actually being able to navigate this, by the way, using our arrow keys. I'm just pressing arrow down. All right. Now, one other thing about this is actually one of the greatest things about this is down when we reach to the bottom, 97, 98, 99, it goes right to the top and it kind of navigates us into the next page. So we can use to navigate different pages. All right, and we can press Q to quit. We can search within this for a certain expression. All right, expression is example here. And again, we can press Q to quit. So info is a very useful way to find information about certain commands and utilities. Again, giving you all the knowledge you need in order to use a command to its full effectiveness. I encourage you to try this out in your own environment. And I want to thank you for joining me this episode. I'll see you in the next one.